them anime sound effects. Ooh, ooh, Boom, 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 boom. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now, back with another reaction for you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing okay. You understand me? Right now, I have tech sounds round and round. Numerous people have been spamming this song. You did me I say numerous. I'm going to go check it out. Me DM have a song from a long time. You did me? I'm saying, me click it. Me click it. I'm saying, be a big batty game. Sorry. Pause. Reaction time. That's all I said. I click it and I saw some big batty game. I start go around. I'm saying, alright, reaction time. Reaction time. So, now if you like on the bomb video from right now, please smash a like on the video so the video can get recommended to more people, so more people can find the reaction boss, just like how you found me. You understand me? Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Please help me reach 30,000 subscribers before the year ends. But you know the major goal is to hit 100k to bring a plaque home, and you know, so we're gonna travel the entire Caribbean, don't it? So let's go and like up the video, go and subscribe to me and say, and maybe next year we'll start touchdown in a make it pum pum fata. So shit. You see me I say? Just touchdown like alright, now I say 40. But right now, we go round and round. You see me by text sound, make up yourself text sound. Right? Hold on, pause. Get that different. Red tune! And it now play. Red tune!
Round and round.
Alright. Hey.
Round and round.
Hey, you know them anime sound effects. Trouble! Like up the video. Like up the blood clot video. Go on, take sound.
She go up, down and round and round. I search for this something for she moan and ground. She go up.
Lord! We need a slow motion reaction. A long time we not do one. Go on.
Round,
guys. What? Yeah. Make it clap. Make it clap, yo boy. Yeah. Yeah. No. That now play. Go on sing it soon. Sing your tune. Make up yourself doing it. But I get it, what you have for? You know it, chap. People go check out the second for check out song for yourself. You don't know what I say, make a pause. When you come up with a reaction, though. So if you're not proud of me, pause again. Give it my reaction. We shouldn't click on the video for it should be the only reason click on the video. Link to the original song is going to be in the description down below. Go watch it for yourself. But the reaction boss, though. So round and round.
Boom, boom, heavy, yeah. Weight lifter, we can't get you. Could I share for you and the sister? Well, boom, boom, tight, body blister. Sit down by the stone. You boom, boom, heavy, yeah. Weight lift.
Don't tell my girlfriend say I watch a video. She go left me. Don't, if you tell her something, if she find out say I watch a video, I may have no problem.
We can't get you. Could I share for you and the sister? Well, boom, boom, tight, body blister. Love cigar and I shout like dirty water.
Bumbo click, that's them love cigar that show like dirty water. You're so dirty, you're so nasty. You're so dirty. You're dirty, you know. But round and round. Me can't even watch a video in peace. Them guys just like go on round and round. Go on! People, like the video. Go on.
Good girl gone bad. Bring her to the pastor. Evil, tell alone fuck. On the halter. Gunman in your hole, yeah. Rifle fire. Slow motion that one up on the left, I go on that bag of things. Well, I see this I again on the left. Watch one up on the left, dog. I want to be in a slow motion, she go on bad. You so bad. Watch her over there. Yeah, watch her. Watch her one yourself too much now. We there for it. I'm sorry if we're not going slow motion to no week today. Who was it? I'm going to I'm sorry. Go on.
Fuck. Back it up, yes, like a whole truck. Cocky makes you move slow like a robot. She bite from my balls like a donut.
And I hold it. Man, look back. How you never walking? She bite from the wall like a donut. Hold on. What? Me see you look like dirty, so. They must have back it up for us. My telegraph back it up for us like our old truck. Bumbo clad. They must say, I dash out like a dirty water. Neck water, wash for my put it like a donut. Hey, you dirty, you know. The lyrics are different. Where you get them lyrics from, dog? Dog! Go on!
You run her, man, cause you tired of it. I see boss, when I inside of you, who gets lost? When I inside of you, call me.
Thank you, Lord, for watching. Go follow news before news. You don't know the chap already. For the latest news before it even make TV. News before news. Yeah, it never make sense. But dog, she went up on the cheeks. I said, "Look, Terry, look, Bamba cleat." She went up on the cheek. I said, "Look, Terry, look, Terry, look." Me a look. Go on, run around.
When I inside of you, when the big long cocky inside of you, call me Thanos. When I inside of you, Chuck Norris. When I
have to go back in America slow motion vibes because go on.
Inside of you.
Wow, come on, man. Show me the big back together again, man. Come on. Yeah, hold up your foot them and shake it. Shake it like a tambourine. Shake it like a tree. Yes, now clap it. Yeah, clap it. Yeah, move it and move your bum back. Hey. Yeah, clap it. Jump in next week, song then.
Better in a S. Whole night, we are fuck. Me no need rest. Fingernail sink. Deep down in my chest.
They foot them like one chicken wing, I said so. Hey. Mr. I left my lighter and my blood clot car, see, man. You come like one could pick near the car at the blood. I'm being my car. Go around now, man. Because she can get up like a... Round.
She's a capel now, she ready for your next ass. Back it up, yes, like a whole truck.
Yeah.
Cocky makes you move slow like a robot. She
Back it up, yes, like a old truck. Tight makes you move slower than a robot. Hey! No joke.
She bite from my balls like a donut. She run her, man, cause she tired of this slow fuck.
Hey!
Back it up, yes, like a whole truck.
The one there was squat, so what? You know, I might even go back, you know. I just go on the milk slow motion vibe here, man. You know it's chop, you know. You know it's chop, you know. What? She box it one side out.
She bite from my balls like a donut. She run her, man, cause she tired of it. I see boss when I inside of you.
Hey!
Slow.
Ooh, no clap, no box, no wire.
When I inside of you.
Good man. NASA. What?
Me John Wick when I inside of you, cause it's real brick when I inside of you.
Round. Boy. Take your little bum. Why the girl I Trinidad, I think I Trinidad in my team. I wish I tell you which I react to the song from. I remember which part to the dog. Dog. She know what? Run. Blood clean. Go on.
Round.
Hey.
Right there. Yeah.
Round.
What you do last time?
Oh, yeah.
She go up. Round.
If you still want to go to that part, I get some more your comment right now. Comment the number 1. If you still want to go to that part, yeah. 1. The first 3 persons to comment 1, we shouting out to the next video. You hear me? Go on.
Round. I search for this something push him on.
Yeah.
Down and round.
Yeah, take a little time now, man. When did I go on to? I don't know about my video one done it. You know what? You know what I want to do too?
More to go subscribe to my couples channel. You see me, I say Money and Tight. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers over there, guys. Please. Me not say more than 1,000 now. I go really watch. I go watch every day. So no more to do. I want to go subscribe to my couples channel. Get me to 1,000 subscribers over there. I'm at 735 right now currently. So I need like 200 and I must say 25 more. You understand me? 275 more, I should say. So please go subscribe to the channel, guys. Go support things. You must get me to 1,000 subscribers over there. Money and Tight. Link will be down below in the comment section pin and in the description also. Big up on the sense. Thanks for the support. Why me can't talk? I got some vlogs today. I got 6 vlogs today. You hear me I say? So I do 2 vlogs. One for my channel, one for my couple channel. You hear me I say? Big up yourself. We just post a link vlog over there. She can't make out my nails them. If the rest of them shine, now why up business? I'm out.